Hi everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to change the Coinbase Bitcoin address, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the Bitcoin address on the Coinbase app. So let's get started. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now, to change the Bitcoin address, tap onto the portfolio option at the bottom, just right here. Then here you can find the My Assets option. Now you can see the Bitcoin option. Now tap onto Buy option right here. Then here is the thing, if it is supported on your location, then you can simply buy it. You can simply change the Coinbase Bitcoin address. You can simply create a new address each time you choose to buy the Bitcoin. So there is no need for you to manually change anything. You just need to request a new address. And if it is not supported on your country, then it will show just like this. So if it is supported, you can simply do it the same way. And that's it. This is how you can change the Bitcoin address on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.